This is item number 11846 with M&M Equipment Corp. Here we have a Lance LT-30 Vacuum Tumbler. It features all stainless steel construction, a 500-pound capacity tumbler. This has a 1 to 9 RPM various speed drive. Comes with a 3-hour timer with a half horsepower motor and a self-contained vacuum pump. This also has a liquid trap. Once that fills up, a little ball in there is sucked to the top and prevents liquid going into your vacuum pump. So here we currently have the vacuum pump hooked up, and I will show you that it does hold vacuum. Pull this off here, and we'll show you. So you have forward jog, reverse jog, and in the middle is continuous. So we'll set it forward, so as long as you hold the button, it'll turn. You let off, it stops. Switch it. Same. Or switch it, like I said, to the middle for continuous. And it'll continue to go. You control the speed, this dial here. Slow it down. Speed it up. Now I'll show you the vacuum. Very nicely. You also have these sensors here. So when you have the tumbler rotating, some come in line of sight with this one, and there's one in the back there. It'll automatically stop tumbling. This also has a 12-inch by 23-inch opening with a discharge height of 15 inches. It's currently on 4-inch resistors and all powered up 110 volts single phase. This is item number 11846 with M&M Equipment Corp. Come check it out.